Hello everyone, my name is Dudu Kabakçı. I'm a senior computer engineering student at Ankara Yıldırım Beyazıt University. Today I'm going to talk about my first internship experience. I completed my internship at Bistek Software, um, and here is the structure. Here is the structure of my presentation. First, I will make a short introduction, then I will talk about my internship preparation. After that, I will explain my weekly tasks, and then I will describe the projects and tools I work with. I will share my key learnings and personal gains. And finally, I will give an overall evaluation and conclusion. Now let's start with the internship introduction. I did my internship at Vistec Software, a company that works with Justin-based devices, video processing, and AI systems. During this internship, I joined real engineering projects, improved my technical skills, and experienced teamwork. I work in both software development and system integration tasks, which give me a good mix of theory and practice actually. And internship preparation, at the beginning, I joined the software development and systems integration unit. This team focuses on real-time video streaming, AI object detection, and embedded system. I receive project documents, IP address maps, and Git repository access. I set up Jetson devices. Jetson is a small but powerful AI computer that processes live video actually. I configure SSH connections and learn about the network structure. This preparation helped me understand the system before starting my main task. And I will talk about the weekly task. In the first week, I focus on setting up Justin and learning the RTCP protocol, which is used for live camera streaming. I use OpenCV to capture and process video frames for Justin. And I test different YOLO models and finally used YOLO V8 for real-time object detection. I understood the full data flow camera to Jetson, Jetson to YOLO model, like YOLO V8, YOLO V11. I used YOLO V8 and to display like screen. In the second week, I worked with equipment data from Konya and Gaziantep lines. I cleaned, normalized, and analyzed the data to check system for performance. I set up SSH remote connections and test IP communication. I also built a UDP-based transmission method to send video frames faster. UDP is faster than THP, which is important for real-time streaming, actually. UDP is faster than TCP, right? But not as reliable. So we choose the TCP protocol, TCP protocol. And the third week, I focus on learning Git version control. I practice commands like git init to start a new repository, git add and git commit to save changes, git log to check history, git checkout to switch versions. I like that. And also I create branches to test new features without changing the main code. I push my code to GitHub to share it, and this helped me understand how teams manage code together. In the last week, I use advanced Git features. I check commit history with Git log and Git show. I work with feature brands and solve merge conflicts. And I added a pro-commit hook to keep code style clean. And I use a Git defect to find and fix a YOLO pipeline bug. And these experiences give me a real debugging and teamwork skills actually, and I like it. And I use some tools for projects. In the first project, real-time video streaming project. This project takes the live video from Justin cameras and serialize each frame and sends it over UDP to a browser dashboard. And I help set up the streaming pipeline, test frame sending, and solve network issues. And the second project, YOLO V8 object detection project. This system uses the YOLO V8 model to detect people and objects from live video. and I test and adjust parameters to improve speed and accuracy actually. In the third project, data analysis project for Konya and Gaziantep, this project analyzes detection logs from real environments, and I clean and analyze the data to evaluate the system performance. And the last project, discount project, actually the main project for company. I support testing and data preparation to make the system more stable. I use some tools like JSON, Python, OpenCV, YOLO V8, UDP, SSH, Git, GitHub. And I get some key learnings and gains. Um, for technical skills, JSON programming and setup, UDP network streaming, real-time image processing with OpenCV, AI object detection with YOLO V8, and Git version control and teamwork. For personal skills, time management, fast learning, problem solving, and team communication. And the last thing is overall evaluation. This internship was a very valuable experience for me. I applied what I learned at university to real engineering projects. I saw how real teams use tools like Git to work together efficiently. I grew both technically and personally. This experience made me sure that I want to specialize maybe one day in AI in the future. And thank you very much for listening.